Try something different. Might not get much of a burn out of this. God, it's making me more nervous, man. Just do it. Wait for the cars to clear.
That was good.
That was perfect.
That was good. I think you had a perfect launch there, dude. I think you had a perfect launch, bro.
I think it was pretty good.
I
too.
think that was good.
Even if it was bumpy, I don't care. I think the reaction was good. That was close between the fucking V8, man.
Yeah, bro. I mean, that was not bad, bro. That wasn't bad at all.
I thought it was gonna be much worse.
Bro, yeah. Dude, that was close.
Right?
That was close. That was good. Fucking good burnout. Fucking
Perfect knock control right
yeah,
now.
that was
shaking. Hell yeah.
Dude, that was dope. That was a good ass run.
I think it's gonna make me in the BMW.
Damn.
Rip.
Well, this is your last one, right?
Rip. I'll just get my time down perfect, okay?
Oh, you got this side now.
Finally get this lane. It's really spinny lane. Let's leave the windows down. That's about as far as
I don't think you can you?
No. He just told me good job for rolling it up. Yeah, that did sound good.
It's because of that dent, man. That dent that's there.
This side's worse.
That was... You got it?
Hell yeah!
Got it. Good shit, bro.
Fuck yeah! Woo!
That shit was fire.
Oh my god!
That shit was good, bro.
I don't care if it hops. I'm getting those motor mounts.
That shit was good.
Those
Yeah, you
motor
gotta
mounts are
get the
mine.
Hasbro ones, bro.
Hell yeah.
You gotta get
But
those.
that's the only thing that's missing right now.
Yeah, that's
Because
just
this thing is hitting.
fire. That was good. That was a good run.
Thank you, sir. No, I lost. Wait, 1181? I won! 9-5! Let's go!
Nice. Clap your
You're like, oh my god, you beat the BMW!